Alright, I'm going to try to be better at filming this when it happens, but here's one of the things I found. Under-range microwave, Whirlpool. And here's another thing. Best God under desk treadmill. It worked just a minute ago. I don't know what the deal is. There we go. Turn it up a little bit. I've seen those dudes in England showing off their fit on these with their tracksuits. Listening to Central C. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to try to sell those on Facebook like I usually do. And once I go back out tonight, I'll take some more videos of the things I find on the street. But there's just a couple examples. Bye.